Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I have a new handbag unboxing and also a giveaway at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that if you want to enter it as well and if you want to see what I am giving away. And with that said, let's dive into the video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews, unboxings, regular vlogs, styling tips, styling videos. If you're interested in any of these topics, then make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And you can also follow me on my Instagram, it's @bonjouraika. The second one is @stylegramdaily. And yeah, say hello. I would love to get to know you a little bit better over DMs. But today I am so excited to finally share the new handbag with you guys, the one that I've been waiting for such a long time. I already spoke about it before in my previous videos multiple times. It is finally here, it has finally arrived, and I thought it was the perfect opportunity to film the handbag unboxing, but also the Celine giveaway all together. It is also right before Christmas. You're watching this video on the 22nd and Christmas is in like 3 days. So exciting. But I will make the giveaway a little bit longer, so I think it will end mid-January, I would say. This way we'll have a little bit more time, and maybe if you watch this video a little bit later, because I know it's the festive season, you have to meet your friends, your families, enjoy your holidays, whatnot, and a lot of people don't really have time to watch YouTube videos. I understand that. That's why I'm gonna give it extra time for everyone to see, for everyone to enter and have the opportunity to win the giveaway. But let's start with the handbag. It is here, and here it is in a dust bag. I don't have a box for it, it didn't come with a box, but here is the dust bag, and I am so excited for it. I wanted this bag. It is not a classic box bag like from my wishlist video, but this is another style that I am so obsessed with. This style of bag is one of my most favorite ones. And are you guys ready? Ta-da! Oh, wait a second. Oh, there you go. Here it is, the perfection in all its glory. So I got myself the Celine Ava bag. It is in size medium, although it looks quite small, right? But it's supposed to be 23 centimeters by 8 and by 13. I hope that's the right dimensions of the bag. This is what it looks like. I got it in this magnifique, beautiful chocolate color. I am so obsessed with this color. I think it is such a classic. It only says Celine in the small letters over here, but otherwise it is plain chocolate color. It has this detail on the bottom, which is so pretty as well, and it also comes with this strap, which is removable. This is what the lock looks like. It has the gold finishing, which is nice as well. I feel like chocolate and gold look very, very nice together. And this strap is also adjustable. So this is the short style, and I can wear it like this on my shoulder. It is so cute, right? It gives me vintage vibes, like the beginning of 2000s. I love this style so much. It's this, you know, moon style, like a half moon style kind of bag, and I am obsessed with them. I think it is just such a beautiful shape. But then you can make the strap longer. I have this similar strap on my Fendi By The Way bag, and this is the first time I saw a strap like this, but it has these clips, and you see now it's a slightly longer length like this. You cannot crossbody it still, but I don't want to crossbody this bag. I think it looks amazing like this, worn on a shoulder, and it is so freaking cute. So freaking cute. I got this bag delivered to me like 10 days ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and I still haven't worn it. I really wanted to do a true unboxing of it first. I also didn't have the opportunity to be honest. I mean, I do walk Adele every day, but every day with a pram, with a baby, I prefer something that I can wear crossbody more. And I mean, if we go out with my husband all together, that's another story. I can wear a bag like this and then he can take care of the pram, for example. But otherwise, it's just a little bit complicated to have, you know, a bag like this on the crook of my arm, and then carries the stroller, and if I need to take the baby out, it's just a little bit complicated. Whereas if I have it crossbody, I really don't have to worry about a bag. That's why I feel like I haven't worn it. But it doesn't mean that there is something wrong with the bag, and it doesn't mean that I won't get enough use out of this bag. Because sometimes when I post something on my Instagram, for example, you guys always tell me, oh, this is not practical if you have a baby. Oh, this is practical if you have a baby. But honestly, I really don't want my new status to dictate which types of bags I should buy. Crossbody bags only, the ones I have an easy access to only. I want to buy whichever bags I like, to be honest. I just want to enjoy myself. I want to enjoy my bags. I don't want to be in this, you know, limit of, oh no, don't buy this bag. It's not going to be convenient for you to use it with a baby. Like sometimes it won't, but other times it will. And yeah, so basically I don't want my baby to tell me what bag I should buy. Do you see where I'm going with this? Let's open it. It has this zipper closure. We have some papers inside. I still have the tag over here. It came from Saks. And there is this suede lambskin in this beautiful chocolate color as well. It comes with one little pocket over here, if you can see. We have a little Celine care booklet over there. And yeah, this is everything, nothing else. The bag itself is in lambskin leather. It is very soft. I'm not really sure how delicate it is. I have the Folco bag in lambskin as well, but I feel like the texture is still slightly different from my bag and this bag. I feel like that bag is a little bit shinier and smoother, whereas this one is smooth but differently. It's like soft smooth, but it's very, you know, smooshy and squishy. I don't know how scratch resistant it is. It is probably not because it's lambskin, but hopefully I will not get too many scratches on it. And yeah, this is what it looks like worn. What do you guys think? Do you like this style? I think it is so pretty and so cute. They now have more styles and colors of this bag. They have it in black, in tan. There is one with Celine logo in the front, stitched logo, but I feel like that size is a little bit smaller and you cannot remove nor adjust the strap. That's why I really wanted a medium style, definitely because of the strap, because I can make it longer, I can make it shorter, but also because I can remove the strap completely, add my own strap to it, and have it worn crossbody, for example. That's the solution, by the way. If I want to carry it crossbody, no problem. I can easily attach a different strap to it and you know, wear it crossbody. I can add a chain, so there is no difference in leather color, for example. It's just, you know, it's just going to be a gold strap, which will look nice as well, in my opinion. So you see, immediately the solution to the problem. I can still use this bag crossbody, which is amazing. And now let's talk about the giveaway. So I have two boxes over here. One is going to be for you, the other one is going to be for me. So one for you, one for me. Amazing. I'm going to open mine, and the second one will be closed, waiting for the winner, and I hope you guys will like it. You know how much I love Celine. I've been obsessed with Celine for quite some time now, and you saw my previous unboxings, and this thing is such a cutie as well. We have the little dust bag. Ta-da! So the giveaway will be this cute little zip wallet slash card holder thing with a D-ring that you can attach to your handbag, you can attach to your pocket, wherever you want. And This is what it looks like. It's in the beautiful Celine monogram. It says Celine right in the front. I really love the way it feels. You know, Celine canvas feels different to LV one, to Gucci one. It's just, I love the texture, basically. I love the way it feels. And I also love the Celine logo. Here it is up close. And here it is at the back. There is nothing at the back. Here is the D ring, and this is basically the way to open and close it, which is very, very, very easy, and at the same time not easy to open if someone wants to steal it from you. So that's nice. It also comes with gold finishing. Let's open it. And this is what it looks like inside. It has some papers, which I will remove. But yes, this is what it looks like inside. It's a nice little thing to use as a wallet. You know, it's very easy to keep all your cards, cash, coins, whatever you want, but also it's a nice little thing to keep little miscellaneous stuff like your AirPods, for example, a tiny lipstick, you know, things like that, to keep them together so they don't get lost in a bigger bag you carry, for example. I love SLGs. Sometimes I buy unnecessary SLGs that I never end up using. With this one, I feel like because of the size and because of the versatility of this piece, it is just so cute and so perfect. And I really love the size. It is not too big, as you can see, but it's a good size. It's not a super tiny size where you can barely fit your cash and your cards. But it's a decent size, I would say. And as I said, we have two. And even with my bag, it will fit inside perfectly. Can you see? I'm gonna go get my phone. So here I've got the main things I carry with me. So I have my lip balm. It's the Carmex. This is the only lip balm I can use. It is so amazing. I love it so much, but I love the original one. No flavor, nothing. I have my nose drops. I had this problem in the past where I was addicted to nose drops, and I usually treat it every year because it starts in summer during the peak of my allergies. I start using nose drops and then I get addicted immediately. This winter, I'm not going back home, and there is only one doctor that I met that does these types of treatments where she can get this addiction off, you know, off me. And I'm not going home this winter, so I'll probably stay addicted for a while. Hopefully next time I go there, I'll be able to treat it and forget about the drops again. But for the moment, I need them. I need them in my bag at all times because I never know when my nose will get blocked, and I really hate the feeling. It just gets worse. Yes, and drops is the only thing that can help me, or the treatment. And then I have my phone. It's the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and everything fits perfectly. As you can see, I still have some space inside for, I don't know, whatever, but it's still a lot of space inside. So the bag is quite spacious. And I'm very happy about it because the first time I saw it, I thought, oh my God, it's kind of smaller than I expected. Will it fit everything I need? And it really does fit all of the things. And I just love the stylish look of it. I think it is just so freaking fab. I'm obsessed with this bag. And also the giveaway. Now, I showed you what the giveaway is. This is basically a Christmas gift from me to you guys as a thank you for all of your support during, you know, my rough 2022. It's been a tough year. I've been absent a lot on YouTube. I took it for granted, I swear. I didn't post much. I didn't feel like posting, and I also physically could not post. Now I'm fully back since 2 months already. I'm so happy to be back. I'm just so motivated and excited to produce new content for you guys, and I'm so thankful that you sticked around, that you're here with me, that you're still supporting me, supporting my channel, supporting what I'm doing, what I'm loving. And yes, this is a small thank you. It's the least I can do, and I hope you like my giveaway. And if you want to enter, all you have to do is to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You can like this video if you want to, you can leave a comment if you want to. I don't want to force you to do. If you have nothing to say, then just subscribe, turn the notification on, and that's it. And also, follow me on my Instagram account. I'm not going to ask you to follow me on both of my Instagram accounts, but follow Bonjour Aika account. And there will be a post with a giveaway, just like that post, and tag a friend. And that's it. Once again, you don't have to comment anything, just tag a friend without saying anything. One friend is enough, and there is only one entry per person, because I know if you do multiple entries, yes, it will kind of boost the engagement on my page, but at the same time, I feel like it's not fair to other people that only do one entry, for example, and then there is another person that does 20 entries. So it's going to be one entry per person, per account. Let's say if you have multiple accounts, you can do that from multiple accounts, and this way you'll have multiple entries. But if you have one account, just do it from your own, and that's it. So very simple rules. Subscribe to my channel. You can like this video if you want to, if you truly like the video. Otherwise, don't bother. If you don't have anything to say, you don't even have to leave a comment underneath, but follow me on my Instagram at Bonjour Aika, like the giveaway post, and tag a friend in the comments below. This is it. And I will leave all this info in the description box as well. But good luck to you guys. You will have until 15th of January to enter the giveaway. And I really hope you will win. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, thank you so much for your support. Happy holidays. Happy Christmas. I will see you in my vlog on Sunday, on Christmas Day. But yes, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.